I'm going to show you a little secret that the companies that fix outboards don't want you to know. The air adjustment screw. Here it is. That's the little metal cap right there where the arrow is. You have to punch a hole in it with some little sharp object and then just pull it out. Just pull it out. There you go. And you're in. That's your adjustment screw right there. Okay, now start your engine. Insert a screwdriver into that slot and screw and turn it either to clockwise or counterclockwise positions until your engine starts to run better. This is usually the only adjustment screw on your carburetor. It's probably the only screw on the whole carburetor, and they hide it from you, so you can't fix it. What are you going to do? You're going to remove it. That's what you're going to do. Right there it is, see? Take it out. Fix it. It's your little screwdriver. It takes a little one, too. You can see how small that screwdriver is. That's all you'll need. Give it a try. It might help your outboard.